Hey everybody, this is Jim King with King Piers and the King Piers team. I got my main numero uno, number one guy right here next to me, Enrique. And what we're going to do here is another one of these big stone well actually this is not a stone foundation, it's a brick foundation that is caved in. We've cleaned it all up. We've got our butt joint sawed in here. I've discussed with the owner, we kind of had a change of game plan. We were going to use a pump truck. We were going to use a pump truck to get the concrete from the concrete truck to in here to our inside our bulkhead wall forms. Well, to do that, originally I planned on setting out in front of the street on Delaware and running. It's just a big tube of concrete. It's heavy. It's hard to manage and running around different corners. I come up with, I thought, a brilliant idea, and the homeowners agreed to let me do it. But out here on the other side, in the front of this house, is a front porch stoop, concrete patio. Well, just on the other side of that brick wall, about a foot up, is the patio. So we're going to saw cut the patio at about a 2 foot by 2 foot square, and we're going to dig that out, and that is going to be we're going to run our pump and pump that concrete inside here, and all the forms will be set up. We got to make sure they're really braced good. But we're going to do this in 3 phases. So, the first phase, we're going to run the pump in here. We're going to pour about 4 feet of our bulkhead wall, all the way around there to the corner, and then we will come in here, and then we're going to get the floor ready. We'll bring in some 3/4 inch clean rock, get the concrete out of here, and we're going to concrete the floor. And then the last step is we'll come in here and we'll form on top of our 4 foot of bulkhead wall as high as we can go, and we'll encase all this brick in here with concrete. So, and this support beams here are going to go, these will not be here when we do this. We'll have another setup in here. So stay tuned, this is going to be kind of a fun job. King Piers in Independence. Harry S. Truman lived, I don't know, 4 or 5 houses down the road there. It's a great place to work. Grew up here in Independence. Went to Truman High School. Both my sons graduated from Truman High School, so I always like working in my hometown. King Piers in Independence, 816-288-4373, and go to my website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook. Give us a comment, share, whatever you want to do. Thumbs up on YouTube, comments, share our videos. Thank you.